Welcome to the Ford Mobility VR experience. Please ensure your seatbelt is secured and that your VR headset has been adjusted comfortably. On this virtual ride into the future, you'll discover new ways to move freely that have the potential to make life better for all of us. Now, hold on to your handlebars because we're off. Everybody wants more freedom to move. That's why we introduced the free Ford Pass app that lets you do things like reserve and pay for parking, even if you don't own a Ford. That's just the beginning. We're on our way to a not-so-distant future where most people live in busy cities, and there are more choices than ever before when it comes to getting around and staying connected. You could use your Ford Pass to move freely through this city of tomorrow using multiple modes of travel. Ford Pass might even change the way we think about owning a vehicle. For example, here's Carlos, who splits the cost of his Ford car with his lease share partner, Ethan. As occasional drivers, Ford Pass could keep them seamlessly connected, allowing them to reserve drive time, keep up with maintenance, and even locate or relocate their vehicle. Now hold tight, because we're on the move again. Watch out for that building! It's a good thing this ride is virtual. Next, we're going to see how smart ideas like Ford Pass and some of the smart technology that Ford already offers today might help travelers move more freely in the city of the future. Today, you can get one-on-one help with the Ford Pass app by talking or chatting with a Ford Pass guide. Tomorrow, no matter who is behind the wheel of this future Ford vehicle, a Ford Pass guide could be available to provide help on demand. It looks like Jim was able to pre-book a parking spot right beside his favorite cafe. And some of the smart driver assist features that help make parking quick and easy are already available on Ford vehicles today. This is Henry, and he has a meeting in the heart of the city. Ford Pass could help him plan his route and reserve an autonomous vehicle that will get him to his business meeting prepared and on time. In many cities today, Ford Pass can already help you find, reserve, and pay for parking. And you can earn Ford Pass perks just for using the app. Now, let's see some more ways that Ford innovation might change the way we move. In this vision of the future, we still find a full range of world-class Ford vehicles on the roads, but the world has become even more hectic than it is today. Autonomous vehicles may help us address a host of safety, social, and environmental challenges. In 2021, Ford will have fully autonomous vehicles operating in ride-sharing or ride-hailing services. Akiko is using one to pick her family up on demand and drop them off at their destination. She could even seamlessly plan, book, and pay for her ride through Ford Pass. Autonomous vehicles might also be used to deliver anything from packages to pizza, and they can even check themselves in for service when needed. Smart, connected, future Ford vehicles have the potential to make life better for everyone in the future. They'll continuously learn and improve themselves to benefit both travelers and the cities they live in by cutting travel times, relieving stress, and helping everyone move more freely. Now back to the show, and a world where Ford Pass is already available to help any car owner move more freely. You can download the app and sign up today to earn your first Ford Pass reward. Thanks for joining us on this virtual ride through Ford's vision for the future of mobility.